Hey guys, Sarge here. Hope you're doing good. Thursday, June 6th, 2024, the year of Mordor. Gonna need one of these in the city of Mordor. For those of you who don't know, the CZ Shadow 2. My buddy who I got stacking, by the way. This is his first love. Now he's also addicted to silver, but this is his first love. I also often make comments about owning PB. If you don't know what that is, PB, look it up on the periodic table. But if you don't have PB, your AU and your AG is at risk. Okay? Keep that in mind. Now, having this is called a fire stick or a freedom tool. You can also refer to it as a freedom tool. Some people call them remote lead injectors. That's another one. These are only as useful as you are proficient with them. I hope that's clear. This tool can only help you if you are proficient with it. If you have no clue what you're doing, you're going to shoot one of your feet off, you're going to blow a kneecap out, you're going to do something, blow your groin out, you're going to do something stupid with this. So learn how to use it. But use it, get one. Get one. It doesn't matter the color, it doesn't matter, just get something reliable. Get something. Make sure it's reliable. Go for the bigger names, the ones we know are a little more reliable, but get yourself this and lots of PB. If you don't have the PB, my friends, I'm sorry. The rest of your shit, you're just holding it for somebody else. Because somebody out there's got this and they're going to come gunning for those who don't have it. So eyes wide open, head on a swivel. Cheers. Sarge out.